have some breaking inputs coming in. Well, the CPIM has now written to the Election Commission. It states that a complaint needs to be registered against Narendra Modi. An FIR needs to be lodged for inciting communal hatred. That's what the letter on your screens right now is, viewers. CPIM has written to the EC against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. Yes, Shivani, if you can give more clarity on this letter.
See, Sitaram Yechury, the left leader, he has not only said that these remarks are quite atrocious, but he also said that Election Commission must act upon these remarks of Prime Minister Narendra Modi because they are divisive in nature and these are false claims that are being made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That's what the left leaders are claiming, and that is why a letter has been written by them to the Election Commission that a complaint must be lodged against Prime Minister Narendra Modi for making such kind of statements in the election rallies that are quite divisive and false in nature. And before that, we also know that since Sunday evening, Congress has been sending out statements and justifying and clarifying that what Prime Minister Narendra Modi is saying about Congress manifesto is just not correct. There is no mention of any Muslims being given property or the appropriation of property after they win the election. So whatever Prime Minister is saying is not correct, and he's just trying to appease the people or divide. That's what the Congress has said. On the other hand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been speaking in his rallies yesterday also and in Baswara on Sunday also, where he said that Congress and the left parties, including the Samajwadi Party, they have been appeasing Muslims. They have not done anything for the people of Muslim community. Yesterday he was speaking in Aligarh, where he said that the Congress party, if it comes to power, the India Alliance, if it comes to power, it will snatch the Mangal Sutras of the ladies. So that was a remark where the controversy has erupted now, and the opposition has demanded action, especially from the Election Commission, against Prime Minister Modi's remarks.
So right, we are seeing that how the Congress party is refuting the charge levelled by the BJP as well as the CPIM, now calling PM Modi's speech a hate speech and targeting one community. Well, Shivani, stay with us. We have more